Good afternoon, it's Gary from IronFind.ca coming to you from the lower mainland. Today I'm going to show you this 2008 Cascadia highway tractor. It has 1,080,449 kilometers. The engine hours reads 833, likely because the ECM was reset after the recent in-frame. It is a Detroit diesel 60 series engine, 515 horsepower at 1800 torque. It has a jake brake and full diff locks. It has a 13-speed Eaton automated transmission, RTLO 16913L-DM Ultra Shift. The front axle rating is 12,000 pounds on axle model MFS 12143A on spring suspension. The rear axle rating is 40,000 pounds on axle model RT40-145P on Airliner air suspension. The ratio is 3.9. Rubber all the way around, 11R22.5 with new steers. Rims are aluminum all the way around, inside and out. The wheelbase 240 inches. It has twin fuel tanks, both 100 gallon, and a 70-inch double sleeper. The unit will come with a fresh MVI. As mentioned, it had a complete in-frame January 23rd, 2015. There's currently 45,000 kilometers on the rebuild. The warranty is to 100,000 miles, or 1 year, which would expire January 22nd, 2016. The injector warranty is 2 years, or 150,000 miles. The rear diff was replaced, and the axle with a 1-year warranty as well. The unit also has brand new batteries. It's a second owner truck. It's used for daily line haul, pulling dry vans from Vancouver to Seattle. I'm also going to point out that the unit has a Thermo heating and cooling system, as well as a 2,500 watt inverter. I'm going to do a general walk around the unit and come up close for a tight inspection. It is a bright red color and has full body fairings. It appears to have single exhaust. It looks very good from here. It has been maintained regularly since January with the second owner, and all paperwork and maintenance records reflect that again from that date. And we've done a general walk around of the unit. We're going to come up a little closer here. We will go inside the cab and look under the hood shortly. Let's come right up under the grille. Looks to be in decent shape, except for the usual you see with the plastic laminate on the outside. It's delaminating. Just going to step back here in the grille, and we're just going to pan up the unit here. I'm not seeing any major damage at all, just a few little scratches. There's certainly no body damage of any kind so far. This is the Thermo heating and cooling system. I'm just going to come right up here. The access is nice and level. And I'm just going to pan behind the sleeper. And I'm going to step back between axles 2 and 3 and just come right up in between these axles. You can look at the photos to see the condition of the tires. They'll all be photographed. Again, an Airliner air suspension. Going to come to the rear of the unit. And we're on the driver's side of the unit. I'm going to do the same thing, come between axles 2 and 3. And the access steps also nice and level. Come up between the bottom here of the sleeper. A little tighter view. And I'm going to pan up the sleeper unit as well here. On this side it looks like it's in really good shape. I'm just seeing a few minor little paint chips. And no cracks or chips in the mirror. Let's take a look inside the unit. And the upholstery is in good condition. It looks like the original seat. And it appears to be the same on the passenger. Also in good shape. There's no seat covers. And let's come up to the dash here, take a look at the panel. Very clean and simple. And there's lots of overhead storage. There's the inverter. Again, a lot of storage cabinets here. Again, it is a double sleeper. And it's very clean in this unit. Very well maintained. And a full height cab. Let's start up the unit and take a look under the hood. have it. Another good piece of iron from IronFind.ca. Thanks for watching.